ever inspected a birthday present to guess what's inside? You don't open it, but the shape, weight, or softness gives you clues. You're figuring out the contents without unwrapping them. Neutron Radiography, also known as NR, is similar in concept. Instead of inspecting a wrapped gift, Neutron Radiography, or NRAY, passes easily through heavy metals but is absorbed by lighter non-metallic materials, such as solid rocket propellant, making it ideal for looking within internal structures to see what X-rays can't. The two methods complement each other and work together. This method directs a beam of neutrons at an object. As the neutrons pass through, they're absorbed or scattered by different materials. A technician will then capture this interaction and create a detailed image of what's inside, revealing cracks, gaps, voids, or other discontinuities. This method is non-destructive and non-invasive, making it ideal for detecting and fixing internal problems.